Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got an adorable little Tory Burch to show you today. So this is the Tory Burch mini monogram barrel bag, and it's super cute. I love this design. I think it's a really sweet little shape, and I like the Tory Burch monogram as well with this jacquard fabric. I think that's really cool with that contrast stitching as well. It's a nice design, I really like it. So we've got two miniature little double top handles. And then we also have a removable and adjustable strap. You can see it just clips onto either side, and we've got it on about the middle setting there where we've adjusted it. We also have we've got 4 base studs along the bottom. We've got that Tory Burch monogram printed into the leather on the bottom, and then we've got a zip top closure, and inside the main bag we've got a microfiber lining, and then we've just got one flat pocket at the back. So the exterior of the bag, we've called the condition good, and that's mostly just for this bend in the shape. You can see that it's got a little bit kind of creased in those corners, and I think that is probably just from storage. The way it's been stored, it's probably got a little bit bent, but once you start using it and you start getting bits into there, you can see that it'll kind of sort itself out, that shape. But that's why I've called it good condition. There's a very kind of minimal amount of marking on the actual bag. The base is in a really nice condition, as you can see, and then the rest of it again is perfect. I can't really see any standout marks for me to show you. The reason we called it good is just because of that shape. And then the hardware we have called excellent. There is no wear to the hardware for me to show you. Even those base studs are in a nice condition as well. So that is why I've called that hardware excellent. And then the interior we've called very good. There's just a very little mark on that interior flat pocket. So where the leather is, you can see a very slight scratch on there. But the rest of it, again, is in a very nice condition. So that is why I've called that interior very good condition. I'll just get it closed and I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Tory Burch dust bag. And if you'd like to know any more details on this bag, if you'd like to know exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. That is a link to shop this Tory Burch barrel bag, so it should hopefully take you straight to this bag on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list, so if you've seen this on our YouTube and you've fallen in love with it, but you've missed out on it this time, let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one of these. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. And that applies to any bag that you have in mind as well. Whatever it is, just let us know. We'll get you on that request list for one. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and I'll just pop it on my shoulder and pop it crossbody as well. Again, that strap's in the middle setting, so you've got a few options to make it shorter or a bit longer. I just think it is a really cute little design. You can even take the strap off and just have it with those little miniature top handles as well. And then you've got a really cute kind of little clutch bag. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this gorgeous little bag on our website, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on there. When you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page as well if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. If you have anything that you would like to sell, we would love to see what you've got for us. So read through that page, and don't forget to get in contact with us as well. Our email is in the description below, and you can get in contact with us with the form on our website as well. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.